Guys, I'm dragging so bad today. I desperately need this. I've actually been like actively trying to not drink too many energy drinks, but it is noon and I've already had like such a long morning. I'm so tired. I don't mean to brag, but I have uploaded 4 vlogs, 4 in the last week. Where is my award? If it's not December and I'm in like the height of Vlogmas, that's actually really hard for me. So I'm so impressed that I was able to do that. I just want to like keep the momentum going. Since traveling a lot, I haven't had a really good like deep clean. So it's about that time, and this has been like a long time coming, obviously, since traveling. I still have more laundry to do. I need to wash the bed. I need to like scrub the bathroom, scrub the floors, that kind of cleaning. Not only is this going to be relaxing for me to finally get my place in order, but hopefully it'll be relaxing and inspiring for you to get your place in order. I'm sipping my energy drink of choice, so feel free to make yourself a hot beverage and enjoy, or grab whatever caffeinated beverage you need. Press play and you can start cleaning with me. I go back and forth all the time on like whether this should be like a montage cut to music, or if this should be like a loud audio ASMR kind of video. I obviously will have chosen already by the time you see this. So comment down below if you like hearing the ASMR cleaning sounds, or if you would prefer it being edited to music. Again, I've already decided, so this video is not up for debate. I don't know what day it is for you guys, but for me it's Thursday, which means My Favorite Murder posted, which means I will be watching. I listen to them religiously. Every Thursday, every Monday, every Wednesday. Okay, let's get started. What's up guys, interrupting the vlog here because just really quickly wanted to shout out today's sponsor, BetterHelp. You guys know I've been working with BetterHelp for years now because I thoroughly believe in therapy, because I believe that you can do life better when you are prioritizing and taking care of yourself in this way. A common misconception people have about therapy is that you have to have gone through some sort of traumatic situation in order to require therapy, but that is so false. Therapy is good for so many other things, like for example, relationships. Relationships of all kinds are complicated. I personally have been in therapy for friendships, for family relationships, for romantic relationships, work relationships. So if you have questions about relationships, guess what? You don't have to figure that out all on your own. BetterHelp is here to help. All you have to do is take a quick questionnaire and BetterHelp will find you a licensed professional therapist and you don't even have to leave your house. So click the link in my description box or go to betterhelp.com/Nichole, that's Nichole, for 10% off your first month of therapy. A huge thank you to BetterHelp for working with me yet again, and let's get back to the video. Okay, I know I said we get back into the vlog, but I lied, but for good reason. It's giveaway time. I was just going through all of the comments in the last video for the Summer Fridays lip balm giveaway, and we have a winner. I'm so sorry if I butcher your last name, but Amelia Servatius? Amelia Servatius, you are the winner of the Summer Fridays lip balm giveaway. I'm going to be commenting right now on your comment to the last video. I'm gonna tell you to email me all of your shipping information. I'll get that shipped out to you ASAP. That's right. Again, congratulations to Amelia Servatius. Also, I saw she has a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna link that below as well. So check out her YouTube channel. She does fun content. And let's move on to the next giveaway, which I think you guys are going to love. You guys have probably also been seeing this all over the internet. Fleur is a really incredible scent brand. They do mostly perfumes, but they also have some like lotions, and they have a natural deodorant that they came out with. I'm really in love with the creator of this brand. I've met her a couple times. She's so sweet and so kind. I'm pretty sure I actually did an unboxing for you guys for this, but just in case you don't remember, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Fleur is so beautiful. It's such a like luxe perfume. I would keep this for myself, but I have way too many perfumes. Oh my God, even though it smells, oh, it smells so good. I've shown you guys this before, but their packaging is surreal. This is magnetic. And then here are the notes for the scent. A fruity floral. The top notes are mandarin splash and pink pepper, along with a little bit of gold pear, orange flower water, jasmine blossom, and coconut milk. And then the base of it is benzoin, sandalwood, and vanilla cream. So the vanilla gives it a little bit of warmth, but it's not too warm like a winter scent. This is definitely giving more summer. And then it also comes with a little travel size as well, which is always nice to just throw in your bag. So the giveaway rules for the Fleur giveaway is going to be very simple. I just want you to comment below the type of perfumes that you typically like. Like, is it fruity? Is it musky? Is it super sweet, like a Bath and Body Works like vanilla cupcake? Let me know in the comments below. Give as many details as you want, add as many emojis as you want, and I'll pick one of you guys for the Fleur giveaway. Again, a huge congrats to Amelia for winning the Summer Fridays giveaway, and good luck to all of you guys for this giveaway. Okay, for real though, back to the vlog.